as we are a OEM shoe factory. So we're delighted to provide you customized service. For the shoes, if you'd like to customize sneakers, dress shoes, loafer shoes, and other such like booties and slippers, all are supported. For the different shoes, we suggest to do different soles. Such like this is used for loafers. This is rubber. And this is used for dress shoes. And these two are used for sneakers. On the sole, we're delighted to do your texture if you need. And we're delighted to customize your own brand on the sole with the size and with the stitching. All your customized requirement, please tell us freely and we can do for you. The machine is for shape, and this machine is just for the toe shape to make sure the shoe have a better and perfect shape. After this, and our workers will use hammer to make the shape more perfect. In our factory, we provide customize and to help the buyers to create their own brand with design. For the booties, we can help you to create the shape and to help you to find the reasonable solution about the ornament and the sole. And the brand customize or shoe related, we can do customize for you. And in our factory, we keep development from spring to winter or season. So it's a time to do booties for buyers. This is our packing department. After the shoes ready and before the shipment, all shoes will be packing here. And we can do customize the packing, such from the shoe box and the shoe carton and all shoe packing stuffs for the shoe bags and the shoe homes and the packing paper or shoe packing related, we can do customize. Welcome to send your customized requirement to us and let's do it for you. Let's show you the packing stuffs. And this is we do customize for the buyers. This is a packing box. This is a packing box cup. This packing paper. This is more thickness than normal as a customer required. This is customized shoe home. And this is customized dust bag. And this is the handbag. In order to meet the customer's requirement about the quantity requirement, Lancy is expand the production capacity. This year, we create the new production line. Now, our production capacity per year is over 3,000 pairs one day. Now, Lancy factory is working on the new production line. Now we are going to expand the new production line here. The workers is working on this. 1 month later, the new production line will be on work.